Hello everyone, we are in Trieste. Oh my god, I am so happy. Look at the ship, like it's huge. I don't think you can see that, but it's huge. I am so happy, like excited. Guys, welcome to Trieste. I am so happy to be here. This city is like huge, it's insane. The buildings are completely different compared to Slovenia. It is so weird but beautiful. I am so happy. So now we're gonna grab some coffee and then we'll see. And I'm vlogging in public, like that's a new one for me. So guys, this is the close-up. Oh my god, it's huge. I don't know if you can like really see that or comprehend that. Oh, people are going cruising. I'm so jealous. And this the famous piazza, and we're going over there to grab a coffee.
Tutta porta Vigna Intra Vigna
So guys, now we are inside and this is the toilet. I mean the way to the toilet. Like it's pretty cool. I don't know, like the chair. So now we are looking for a hotel and look at this building and there is Slovenian flag. I have no idea what it is, but oh my god. Now we are in a hunt for a hotel and no, I didn't make any reservation. I know, very stupid of me. And we were looking for one hotel, I think it was like 1 hour and they are sold out. And now, oh guys, always plan ahead. Like I usually always plan ahead because I also hate like looking for a hotel the last minute. I thought it was gonna be easier. But yeah, well, we'll see. Well, I mean, we have to find a hotel. I'm not going home for sure. Oh guys, and I forgot one more thing. Trieste nasz, Trieste nasz. So guys, now I've changed into this dress because it's really hot. It's nice, we love that. We still haven't found the hotel. I mean, now we start looking. Now we're gonna go just a second, to find a Serbian Orthodox church, and then hopefully we will find something there because there are quite a lot of hotels and everything. So yeah, let's hope for the best. Guys, look at this! How beautiful! Now we're gonna find another coffee shop and the first is the church. So this is the Serbian Orthodox Church in Trieste. Like how freaking cool. It's beautiful. Finally found a hotel and actually a lady from one hotel helped us. It's in Muggia outside of Trieste and now we are at the restaurant and we're gonna eat. We have ordered something I think new for us, so they didn't have the menu in English and then the lady helped us, so we'll see what we'll get. It's getting really funny here. It's impossible to get a hotel here unless it's very expensive. The rooms are all booked. I don't know what's going on this weekend in Trieste, but yeah, otherwise we're having fun. It's really beautiful city. I'm in love actually, especially the city center, where is the Grand Canale. It's really beautiful. guys, oh look at this. We've been walking around the bed and now we are in the store and my husband is trying something on, some clothes, and I'm just waiting. Look at this mirror. Like, I would like to have this at home. It is so cool. Hey guys, so we are, like I said, in Trieste. It's an amazing city. The architecture, the food, the people, like everything is so insane. Film me. So yeah, now this is the main square, and as you can see, I don't know, something's going on. There's one festival and it's not like as interesting, it's not as beautiful as it would be without this. Anyways, we ate some food, had coffee, although the espresso wasn't as good. So, but yeah, tomorrow we're gonna explore more. We're gonna go to the castle, the Miramare Castle, and then here is in the center is one, and yeah, we'll see what else. So yeah, maybe some dessert or something like that. So yeah. So now we got ice cream because I want to try as much as Italian gelato as possible, and we are sitting here by the deck. Like, look at this. Whew, gotta be careful not to drop my phone. And then we are looking at, okay, can you see that? At the cruiser. We are in the hotel. I mean, we checked in, left our stuff, and now we are going out. It's 90 euros for both of us for one night. It's nothing fancy, but yeah. Well, as long as one night is fine. But you know, the hotel has some interesting art. Look at this. And this. You can never be overdressed or over-educated. Oscar Wilde. I agree with you, Oscar. Look at this painting. Let me just, oh, where is it? Here. How beautiful. Look at this. They also have a pool. But unfortunately, we didn't bring our suits, swimsuits. Oh my God. Oh, this is so beautiful. But it's also cold, so unfortunately this is not gonna happen. Oh my God, this is insane. I would so love to swim here, but yeah, it's really cold unfortunately, and tomorrow we are leaving. But look at this color, like I've never seen a swimming pool like this, like come on. Okay, photo shoot time. Look at this, guys, this is pretty scary. Whoa. Insane. Had pizza, as you saw. It was a very nice restaurant and a cheap one. My margarita was 5 euros and it was really huge. So this city is Muggia. It's so cute. Oh, I think I'm shaking you too much. Oh crap. So yeah, it's really cute city, as you can see. And yeah, now we're just gonna go back to our hotel because we are pretty tired. It's been such an amazing day.